answers from last episode's activity. 1. Give the value and place value of the digits in 72,564. In number 1, the place value is tens. The value of a digit is 60. In number 2, we have 4. The place value is ones. And the value of the digit is 4. Number 3, 7. The place value is 10,000s and the value of a digit is 70,000. Number 4, 5. The place value is hundreds and the value of a digit is 500. Last, number 5, 2. The place value is thousands and the value of a digit is 2,000. 2. Give the value and place value of the digits in 91,387. For number 1, 8. The place value is tens and the value of a digit is 80. Number 2, 7. The place value is ones. The value of a digit is 7. Number 3, 9. The place value is 10,000 and the value of a digit is 90,000. Number 4, 1. The place value is thousands and the value of a digit is 1,000. Number 5, 3. The place value is 100 and the value of a digit is 300. This episode shows how to read and write numbers up to 100,000 in symbols and in words. How to read numbers in symbols and in words. Let's read the number below. Here are the steps. First, group the numbers into 3 from right to left. Second, read the numbers from left to right. Now, let's read the number above. From this group of numbers, we read it as 10. And this group is on the thousands place. The second group of numbers are all zeros. Therefore, we read it as 10,000. Let's read the number below. First, we group the numbers from right to left in 3. Read 15,000, then 765. Therefore, we read it as 15,765. Let's practice! Read the number below. Your timer starts now. Time's up, and the answer is 21,980. Correct. Another one. Read the number. Your timer starts now. Time's up, and the answer is 33,176. Correct. Another one. Read the number. Your timer starts now. Time's up, And the correct answer is 63,297. Another. Your timer starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is 89,037. You got it right. Next. Time's up. And the answer is 99,801. Correct. Congratulations, you got it right. Take note, always group the numbers into 3 from right to left. Read the numbers from left to right. Don't forget their place value as needed. In writing numbers into words, take note of these. These numbers are hyphenated. They are numbers in tens place. In writing numbers into words, take note of this. In numbers with 0 in the tens place, read and write only the hundreds and ones. Just like 99,801. Next, always keep in mind the right spelling of numbers. Of course, right spelling is a must. Let's have another practice. Write the number into symbols. 11,684. Timer starts now. Time's up. And the answer is correct. Next one. 33,165. Your timer starts now. Time's up. And the correct answer is correct. You're still improving. 45,709. Timer starts now. And the time is up. The correct answer is yeah, you got it right. Next, 87,013. Timer starts now. Time's up. And the correct answer is correct. Next, write 100,000. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. It's very easy, you know. Time's up. And the answer is there we have 100,000. Try to answer the following. Get your paper and pen. First, write the following numbers in words. Take time, do not haste. Next, 2. Write the following numbers in symbols. Just like what we did on your practice, Now it's the time for your application. To know if your answers are correct, stay tuned for the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Once again, this is Sir Japet. Learning is lifelong and learning is fun. When there is life, there is learning.